Hello, welcome to Extend Office channel. This video will show you how to use Format Painter effectively and introduce some practical examples of its application. This video covers three aspects, including telling you how to use the Format Painter to copy formatting, providing three specific examples to give you a more concrete understanding of the formats that Format Painter can copy, and showing how to achieve the copying of parts of formattings which Excel itself cannot accomplish. Before starting the guide to Excel's Format Painter, you should know what is Format Painter first. Microsoft Excel's Format Painter is a powerful tool designed to enhance productivity and ensure consistency across your spreadsheets. It enables you to copy the format of a specific cell or range of cells and apply it to another cell or range. This includes all formatting forms, such as formattings in font group, alignment group, number group, and the formattings made by conditional formatting rules. The tool is represented by a paintbrush icon on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Let's dive into how to use Format Painter effectively and explore some practical examples of its application. How to use Format Painter. In this section, it provides three scenarios for telling you the basic usage of the Format Painter feature. Applying Format Painter to a single cell or range. Select the cell or cells whose formatting you want to copy. Here we select cell A2, which is bold and formatted with a yellow background. Click the Format Painter icon on the Home tab. Highlight the target cell or range of cells where you want to apply the formatting. Here, we select cell A7, then the copy formatting is instantly applied. After selecting a cell or range, the Format Painter will be deactivated immediately. Applying Format Painter to multiple ranges. Select the cell or cells whose formatting you want to copy. Here we select a range of A2 to B2. Double-click the Format Painter icon on the Home tab to keep it active. Select multiple target ranges sequentially. Here, we select cells A4, A7, and A9 sequentially, then the formatting will be applied to each as you go. When copying the formats of multiple cells, the target cells in the corresponding positions will be pasted with the same formats. Press ESC key or click the Format Painter icon again to deactivate it. Applying Format Painter to other worksheets or workbooks. Copy the desired formatting as you would within a single worksheet. Click the Format Painter on the Home tab to activate it. If you want to apply the formatting to multiple sheets, double-click the Format Painter icon. Switch to the target worksheet or workbook. Highlight the cell or range to which you want to apply the formatting. Examples of using Format Painter. Format Painter can be used to streamline various formatting tasks across your Excel documents. Here are some examples for you to better know what Format Painter can help you. Copy and paste formats in font and alignment groups. Whether it's adjusting the font size, applying bold or italic characteristics, changing the font color, aligning text, or adjusting indentation, Format Painter replicates your desired font styling with a single click. Copy and paste formats in number group. Format Painter helps you maintain uniformity in displaying dates, currencies, percentages, or other numerical formats, making your data easier to read and understand. Copy and paste conditional formatting. One of the most powerful applications of Format Painter is the ability to copy conditional formatting rules from one cell or range to another, enabling you to quickly apply complex data visualization strategies across your workbook. Suppose the range D2 to D11 has a conditional formatting rule applied which highlights the top 30% of items with a red background color. We will now copy this conditional formatting and apply it to the range C2 to C11. Copy parts of formatting from one cell to other cells. Using Kutools for Excel's Copy Cell Formatting feature, you can selectively copy specific parts of formatting from one cell and apply them to others. Here's how to do it. The Copy Cell Formatting feature can be applied after installing Kutools for Excel. Click to select the cell whose formatting you wish to copy. This is your source cell. On the Kutools tab, click Copy Cell Formatting in the Format drop-down menu. In the Copy Cell Formatting dialog, you'll see a variety of formatting aspects such as number format, alignment, font, border, and fill. Check the boxes next to the specific parts of formatting you want to copy. You can select multiple formatting options. Here we only check the category, size, and bold checkboxes. Click OK. Select one cell or range to paste the formatting. If you want to select multiple ranges, hold the Control key to select them one by one. Click OK. Now the parts of formatting have been passed.